Sammy the Hamster's Covert Mission. On the edge of a bustling city, there was a small pet paradise surrounded by dense woods. The animals here lived in harmony until one day, a group of unwelcome visitors, a group of cunning crows, planned to take control of the pet paradise. Sammy the hamster was a seemingly ordinary little hamster in the pet paradise, but he had a secret unknown to others. He was once a professionally trained rescue hamster. When Sammy discovered the crows' conspiracy, he decided to take action. Sammy devised a bold plan. He would infiltrate the crow's nest, find out their plan, and stop them. Under the cover of night, Sammy quietly left the pet paradise and embarked on a perilous journey. On the journey, Sammy encountered all kinds of challenges, but he overcame them with wisdom and courage. However, when he finally arrived at the crow's nest, he discovered an astonishing truth. The crows wanted to take control of the pet paradise because their habitat had been destroyed by urbanization, and they just wanted to find a new home for their families. Sammy realized that he couldn't let the crows destroy the pet paradise, but he also didn't want to see the crows homeless. So he came up with a win-win plan. He organized the animals of the pet paradise to help the crows rebuild their homes and planted a new forest near the pet paradise. In the end, the crows were moved by the kindness of Sammy and the animals of the pet paradise. They gave up their original plan and became good friends with the animals of the pet paradise. Sammy's secret identity was also revealed, and he became the hero of the pet paradise.